eXoMod, limited production, custom builds. C68 Carbon, a modern supercar with old school soul. Fastest production car on the street, with over 800 horsepower at your disposal. This heritage-style build you see here is highlighted in electric blue pearl with contrasting silver bumpers. The grille is finished in satin black with light argent surrounds. We continue the heritage theme with the satin black tail panel, along with OE finished taillight housings and bezels matching the chrome flip-top gas cap of the original 1968 Dodge Charger. The wheels are custom-built 20-inch billet steelies, powder-coated in satin black, and are sporting original Dodge dog dish hubcaps. You can have the best of both worlds with the C68 Carbon. You get a brand new supercar with all the modern amenities underneath and a custom-built classic body made from carbon fiber on top. Want to own the road, live the dream, and feel the power? Order your limited edition eXoMod C68 Carbon today.